Are you in need of high-quality food storage containers? Look no further than the Ortiv 48 sets 32 ounces plastic deli containers with lids. This excellent combo pack includes 48 plastic food storage containers and 48 tight-fitting lids, providing you with ample storage for all your needs. One of the key features of these deli containers is their anti-crack and unbreakable design. Made with durable plastic, these containers are designed to resist cracks and remain unbreakable even after long-term freezing. This means you can use them repeatedly without any worries. When it comes to safety, these deli containers are top-notch. They are made of heavyweight polypropylene plastic, which is non-toxic and BPA-free. Rest assured that your food will remain safe and free from harmful substances. These containers are also microwave-safe, freezer-safe, and dishwasher-safe, top-rack, making them incredibly versatile for daily use. Whether you're meal prepping, packing lunches, or storing leftover food, these containers are perfect for the job. Not only are these containers great for food storage, but they are also ideal for storing other items. From soups, salads, and sauces to condiments, fruits, and snacks, these deli containers can accommodate a wide range of storage needs. You can even use them to store dry goods, hot liquids, or small items like toys, crafts, and screws. The possibilities are endless. We stand behind the quality of our products and offer a satisfaction guarantee. If for any reason our food storage containers or to-go containers do not meet your needs, please reach out to us. We are committed to providing excellent customer service and will 100% refund your money. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for use internationally. Verify compatibility before making your purchase. Get your Ortiv 48 sets 32 ounces plastic deli containers with lids today and experience the convenience and reliability of high-quality food storage containers. Shop now at the provided short link.